Welcome back, guys. It's Kids Coding Playground. We're back with another Python tutorial. It's been a while, so we're gonna make a turtle racing game today. Not really a game. So the turtle can move around, and when it gets to the finish line, you can guess which one wins and stuff like that. So yeah. So we're gonna start a new trinket, Python. We're gonna rename this trinket. First, let's name it Turtle Race. So Turtle Race. And then I'm gonna zoom into the code a little bit more so you guys can see it better. So first we're gonna import the turtle library. So we're gonna do it by import. Oops, let's click in here. Import turtle. So import turtle, and then we're also gonna import the time library, which is like the wait block in Scratch. Import time. So we're gonna do that as well. And let's go down 2 lines. And then we're going to import the actual object turtle. So we're going to import the turtle object from the turtle library. So we're going to do this from turtle import turtle with a capital T. Okay, from turtle library we're going to import the object. So, and then we're going to also import random. From random we're going to import the random int. Okay, so from random library we're going to import random int like that. Okay, rand int, sorry, not random int, rand int. And after that we're going to get the screen. So we're going to get the backdrop. Screen is equal to turtle dot screen, and then put parentheses. And then we're going to do turtle is equal, so this library turtle is equal to the object turtle, like that. Okay, so after this we're gonna set up the grass for the background. So we're gonna have some grass as the background. So right here we have all the colors for the turtle. So you can pause the video and use whatever color you want when we get there. So we have we're gonna set the backdrop to forest green, like the color, the grass. So we're gonna do screen.bg color, and we're gonna set it to forest green. And some of these colors might not work because this is for CSS colors, but some of them do work. So like you can pick some right here, as you can see. You can pause the video if you like. Okay. After that, we're gonna set the turtle color to white. So this turtle we're using to draw is the turtle library, not the actual turtle we're gonna be using to race. So we'll show you the end product. We'll show you the product at the end, the result of this game. So then after this, we're gonna set the turtle color to white because we want to write turtle race up here. So we're gonna write turtle dot color, and then we're gonna do parentheses, quotation marks, white. So like that. You can add a semicolon if you would like. And then after that, we're going to do turtle dot speed is equal to 0 and 0, like that. And after that, we're gonna make the turtle pen up so then it won't draw. So we're gonna make it draw once we do pen down. So we're gonna do turtle dot pen up. So like if you don't do pen up, it will already start drawing. And then we're gonna make the turtle go to this position, -250, 150, like somewhere right here. So then we're gonna write turtle race somewhere right here. Okay, so we're gonna write turtle dot go to, and then we're gonna do -120, and the other position's 150. So you guys can pick whatever coordinate you think is best for you. Then we're gonna do turtle dot right, and then we're gonna write turtle race, quotation marks, turtle, let's make it all caps, turtle race, and then we're going to put a comma, and we're gonna set the font to Arial. You guys can set whatever font. I don't know what the fonts are, but I just need Arial font is equal to, put another parentheses, quotation mark, Arial, and we want it to be 20 size, so the font's 20 size, and we want it to be bold, so you can do this. You guys can do anything you want. You don't have to make it bold. I just made it bold so it looks better. After this, we're going to make it pen up. So after it's done writing it, we're going to make it pen up. Turtle.pen up. Oops, I accidentally put this pen up. And then do this. And add a semicolon right here. Okay. And then after this, we're going to set up the dirt. So we're going to have some dirt right here. Like we're going to add like some brown dirt. So we're going to make the turtle go to -200, -150 first. So somewhere about like right here. So it'll start drawing from here. So what we want to do is make it draw from here all the way to here. And then come down and then draw all the way this. And then all this area will be brown. So we're going to do turtle.go to -200, -200, and we're going to do -150 for the Y. And then after that, we're going to do, actually, yeah, so -200, -150. You guys can do whatever coordinate you would like. And then we're going to set the color to chocolate. Remember, we still have the Python color. So we're going to make like a brown color. We're going to pick chocolate. You guys can pick whatever color you would like. I just did chocolate. And then we're going to do turtle.color is chocolate. So we're going to do this. Chocolate. And then after this, we want to let the turtle begin to fill this area with brown. So we're going to do turtle.begin _ fill. And then we're going to put this in semicolon. Okay. And then after this, we're going to get the pen down. So we're going to make a pen down. So we'll start drawing. So turtle.pen down. And then we're going to put this. So it's going to begin drawing the brown. So we're going to make it move 400 forward. So from here, we made it go to -200, -150. So move 400, it'll move all the way to the other side. So 400 is like about right here. And then we're going to make it, so let's enter. So let's write. So we're going to make it move forward by 400. So we're going to turtle.forward. Forward, and then we're going to put the parentheses 400. And after that, we're going to make it turn right. So as you can see, when I run it right now, it says turtle race and has the green. So as you can see, the turtle moved all the way right here. So we want it to make it turn right. It's kind of hard to see, but if you can see it right here, so we want to make it turn right, so then it will move down here and then go back all the way back. So we're going to make it turn right 90 degrees. 90 degrees because the 90 degrees turn right here. So if you were in this position, you would be turning right. Okay? So after this, we're going to enter. So I kind of need to scroll down right here. I don't think it's letting me scroll down, so you guys have to look down here. And then we're going to have to make it turn right by 90 degrees. So turtle.right by 90 degrees. And after that, we're going to get turtle forward by 60. So 60 is like about from here to here. So we're going to make it move 60 degrees and then move back. So we're going to do turtle.forward by 60. So we're going to make it move 60 steps. And then we're going to make it turn right again. So if you're down here, you're facing down, so turn right, you move this way again. So we're going to do turtle.right 90 degrees. Oops, 90. So we have the turtle turning 90 degrees. Okay, so after that, we want to make it move back 400. And then we're going to end the fill. So we're going to turtle forward 400. Forward 400. And we'll do that. And then we're going to turtle.end the fill. So we're going to finish the fill. dot end underscore fill. Okay, so now let's play it. As you can see, it says turtle race, the background is green, and the dirt right here has been filled. Okay, so now we're gonna work on the turtles. We're gonna work on the turtle in the finish line next. But before we continue, I'm pretty sure in some previous Python tutorials, we mentioned that you can comment out stuff. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. So I will show you guys how to do it. I'll comment it so it's easier, guys, for you to understand. So right here, this is importing the turtle object. I'm just trying to make it easier for you guys to understand from the turtle library. And we're importing the rand int from the random library. Okay, so now this is what we have right here, importing the turtle. So I just commented out so you guys can see what it's about. And then right here we are drawing the background. We're set up the grass, green background. And then right here in this area we're going to set up the dirt, or set up the dirt, which is the brown stuff right here. Okay, so that's what we have right now. I will add more comments as we continue. So I don't know why it's not letting me scroll down, but I guess I can make a couple more enters, and then you can see right here. Okay. So next we are going to be working on the finish line. So I'm gonna make a comment real quick. Set up finish line. So we're gonna set up the finish line, and then we want to make the square size 15. We don't want to make it any more or less because 15 is just the right size. If it's 20, it might be spaced out a little bit more and might go off the screen. So we do not want that to happen. So we're gonna set a variable square size underscore size, and then we're gonna make it 15 equals to 15. Okay, so next we're gonna define another variable. Okay, so actually the square is the square size, is the default square size for the turtle, so it's 15 by 15, but you can change it. But if you do 20, it's a bit spaced out, so it'll not fit on the screen, so it doesn't look great. So we're gonna do 15 as the one we want. So next, we want to get a finish line. So we're going to make the finish line underscore line another variable. Finish line at 170. So that's going to be like somewhere right here on the X position. And then we're going to make the color of the squares black. So we're going to do turtle.color, and then we're going to do so you guys can do whatever color you want. I just picked the black color. And then next, we can get a turtle.shape. We want it to be a square, the finish line. You can make it any shape you want, pretty much. Shape, and then square. So square. You can add a semicolon right here. And then down here, we're going to add a couple more enters so you guys can see. And after this, we are going to work on the repeat loops. But before I show that, oh yeah, and we need the pen up. I forgot about that. We have to do turtle.pen up, and then we're gonna work on some repeat loops to make this process of stamping black squares much quicker than it is. So I'm not gonna use it right now. I'm gonna show you guys how much code you need to do it without the stamping. It takes a lot, so I'm only gonna show a section. Okay, so start here. So we're gonna do turtle.goto. You will see that it's not very efficient. Go to, and then we're gonna do 170, 140, 140. Oops. And then next we're going to do, okay, so next you wanna, let's go to another position. So we're gonna keep on stamping down. We're gonna add a little section in the middle that's not shaded. So first we're gonna stamp this one. Turtle.stamp, and then we're going to do turtle.goto, and then we're going to do 170, 110. So we're gonna make a little gap for like some space, and then we're gonna stamp again. Stamp. Okay. So when you run it, as you can see, there's a little space. We want to make 2 layers of them. As you can see, it's not very efficient. You have to do it for the whole line, and we're gonna have to do another line of those. So I'll show you another part of it, another little section of it. So this is like the second line of this. So we're gonna do turtle.goto. Oh yeah, and I can comment this out before I show you. And then I'm gonna comment this out real quick. So you can do Control/ to comment out the whole line. Just highlight it and Control/. So I'm going to be showing you the other line. So turtle.goto, and then we're going to go to 185, 125, and these are just some coordinates. You can get whatever you want. You actually should not. You don't have to code this part. We will be working on a loop to make it more efficient, and then after that we're going to do turtle.stamp, and then we're going to do this. Oops. And then after that we're going to get turtle.goto. As you can see, it's not very efficient. You have to keep on typing or copy pasting it, and there's a much quicker way to do it, and we will show you later. And then we have turtle.stamp again, and then back. So as you can see, I commented this out. So now you see there's 2 lanes. So let's uncomment this real quick. So you can do Control/ again. So as you can see, we want like a lane right here and a lane right here. It's gonna take a long time to do. So this code is not very necessary. So we can take this out, and I'll show you guys how to do a loop on how to make it way more efficient. So let's start on the loop. So on the loop, we're gonna make 2 repeat loops. So for I in range, you can basically pick any letter you would like. I'm just gonna do I. So for index in range, for I in range, and then we're gonna go do 10. That means repeat it 10 times. Has to be a colon, not a semicolon. This one has to be a colon because it's a loop. And then you enter, and then we're gonna do turtle.goto. So this part requires a little bit math, and then we have to do finish line. So right now we define finish line as 170, so that's the value of finish line. You can think of this as a variable like x or y. So x is equal to 170, let's say that. And then we're gonna put a comma. And then we're gonna make another one of these, another parentheses, and then we're gonna add a space actually. Then we can do 140 minus, and then we can put another one in here. So put one in here, sorry. So you'll put one in here, and then we're gonna do I multiply by square size. So square size, we have defined it as 15 up here, as you can see, square size, and then we're gonna multiply it by 2. Okay, so right here we have the turtle.goto. Finish line is 170, so this is finding the coordinates 170. So let's say I always starts out as 0 in Python, so we can substitute the I as 0. So 0 multiplied by 15 is 0. 0 multiplied by 2 is 0. So 140 minus 0 is 0. So 140. Sorry, 140 minus 0 is 140. So this becomes 170 and 140. That's the coordinate. So let's say I was 1. So the next index, it would be 1. It would just keep on going up. So then it would be 170. Finish line is 170. So 140 minus 1 times 15 is 15. 15 times 2 is 30. So 140 minus 30 is 110. So the next coordinate would be 170 and 110. And then so on. So you see the pattern, it goes down by 30 every time. So what if this is 2? So if I is 2. 2 multiplied by the square size is 15. So 30 multiplied by 2 is 60. And then 170 is the finish line. So 140 minus 60 is 80. So the coordinate will be 170 and 80. So hope you guys understand what that is. So, and this is a subtract. So 140 is subtracting of whatever this value is. I'm actually going to put a space between here so it's more easier to see like that. Okay. So next we're going to write turtle.stamp so it can actually stamp. And then we're gonna make another loop for the second row. As you can see, it already created one row. We're gonna make a second row. We're repeating 10 times for the first line, but for the second line, we can repeat 9 times. And then for the second one, you can call it anything you want. Again, you can even do I, you can do J, you can do Z. So I'm just gonna do J for the sake, so you guys can understand it better. For J in range, we are going to do 9 times instead. So in the back, we're only gonna do 9. Oh yeah, and not a semicolon, sorry. Keep on putting a semicolon, or get the shift key. So you have to hold down the shift to get the colon, so this because this is a repeat loop. And then this is going to be different than the first one. So we're going to do turtle dot go to, and then of course we have the finish line defined as 170, and then we want to add the square size, which is 15, to the finish line, and then we're going to sorry, not 15, square size, not, since we already have the variable defined, you guys can just use the variable. I'm going to put another parentheses, so 140, we're going to put 2 actually, 140 minus the square size, and then we're going to add a subtraction sign in the middle. Actually, let me take out one of these. So we have this, we have the 140 minus square size, we'll add the other parenthesis later, sorry about that. So we have the 140 square size, and then we're going to subtract it by J, which is the right here, J in range. J multiply whatever the J value is, like 0 because it starts at a 0, square size times 2. Okay, so right here, I think we need to add some more parentheses. Let me add a couple more parentheses. I think you have to add, I accidentally deleted them, sorry about that. I wanted to let you guys see it better, so we have to add the parentheses back now, so that, and one more. Okay, so we have 3 on this side and 2 on this side. Okay, so what this is basically kind of similar. So finish line is 170, square size is 15, like I said. So 170 plus 15 is 185, and then we have the 140 minus the square size. So this is going to be a little bit different because it's the back lane. So 140 minus square size is going to be 125. So, and then J is 0 first. So 0 times 15 is 0. 15 times, 0 times 2 is also 0. So 125 minus 0 is 125. So that's the first coordinate is going to be 185, 125. Okay, let's say J was 1. We're going to substitute J with 1. Then the X position will be 185 because you have the finish line and plus the square size. And then right here we have 95 because 140 minus the square size, and then you minus whatever this value is. And then finally, it just goes on for 9 different times. And let's just say J was 2. Finish line 170 plus square size would be the same, would be 185. 140 minus 15 would be 125, and then 125 minus 2 times square size is 30. 30 times 2 is 60, and then you minus, so then it'll be 65. 125 minus that is going to be 65, as you can see. So there's a bit math, there's some math into this coding, and then we're going to do turtle.stamp, and then we're going to do this. So let's run. As you can see, there's 2 lanes and turtle race and that. So this is all the code we have so far. So I'm going to, I guess I can make a comment right here. So let's make a comment. Let's say set up the finish line. Oh, let's start up here actually. I already have the setup finish line. This is just stamping the finish line. Let's name it stamp the finish line, like that. Okay. So for you guys to understand it more easier, and you should save your project as always. When you have a lot of stuff, you should always save your project. Okay, let's make it back bigger. Okay. Okay, next we want to do turtle.hide turtle. So after it's done stamping all this, we want to hide the turtle library. So we're gonna do turtle.hide turtle, and then do that. Okay. And let me add a semicolon right here. It's optional. Remember that. And then right here we're gonna set up the turtles to the color. So we're going to do set up. I'm gonna like give you like a little comment. Set up turtles. So we're here. And then we're going to my turtle 1. 1 equals turtle. Oops. Turtle, which is the turtle object. Okay. And next, this is defining the variable. And then we're going to do my turtle dot speed. 1, sorry, my turtle 1. So we're defining these as 1, 2, 3, and 4. We're gonna put 4 turtles. And then dot speed, we forgot the speed, equals to 0. The speed, and then we're gonna do 0. Like that. And then we're going to add my turtle color red. So we're gonna make the first turtle red. So my turtle 1. And then we're going to do dot color. It's going to be red. And then I'm going to add a couple more spaces so you guys can see. And then my turtle dot 1. Oops, 1 dot. Next we can do the shape. So we want the shape to be the shape of a turtle, obviously. So like that. And then we're going to do pen up my turtle dot pen 1 dot pen up. Okay, so then it's going to draw the turtle, and then we're going to make it go to this position. My turtle 1 dot go to. I'm make it go to -170 100 and space. And then we can pen down. After this, we can do my turtle 1 dot pen down. Okay, so now I can just copy paste all of this to make the different ones. So as you can see, it draws the first turtle, the red one. So I can just copy paste this to make all the different turtles. I'm gonna put 4 turtles. So you guys can put as much as you would like. I'm just gonna do 4 for the sake of time. And then we're gonna copy paste this, and we're gonna have to change the number of the turtles. So we're gonna do down a couple lines, and then right here we're gonna do my turtle 2 is equal to turtle object 2, and this should be 2 as well. 2, just change all of this to 2, and then we're going to change the coordinates and the color. 2, and remember you guys can change it to whatever color you want. I'm just gonna change it to what colors I had. And then right here I'm gonna pick the second one as a yellow turtle. And then we're also going to change the X and Y position. So right here I'm doing 50 as I'm going down by 50 for each turtle, as you can see. So this is my second turtle. Let's copy paste this. We're gonna make the third turtle. Okay, we're almost done. And then my turtle 3. So we can change all this to 3. 3, 3, 3. Oh yeah, okay, let's do that. 3, 3, oops, 3, and 3. So we got all the turtles, and then we're gonna change the Y position. So we're gonna make it 0. We're going down by 50, and we're gonna change the color to cyan. Any color you'd like. I didn't want to pick green color because the background's already green. So just pick a cyan color. And then my turtle 4. Control C. Control V. Okay, so we have the my turtle 4. Now we can just use the down key if you want to go faster. Okay, so change this all to 4. And then we're gonna change the color to purple. So this is the 4th. This is gonna be the 4th turtle. And then we're going to make it -50. Okay, and then it's okay. So we have all the turtles. Let's play. As you can see, they're not racing yet because we did not make the move yet. So we will now. So right now we're gonna do time. We're gonna add this. This is waiting 1 second before the game starts. So time.sleep, and then we're gonna put parentheses 1 second. So it's gonna wait 1 second before starting up the race. And then I'm gonna put another comment right here. Let's go. Move turtles. Move turtles. So move the turtles for I in range. So we're gonna make another loop for I in range. So we're gonna make this repeat 110 times. Do this 110 times and colon because it's a loop. So my turtle one dot forward, and then we're gonna make it a random 1 to 5 steps. Pick random. So rand int 1 to 5. Put this 1 to 5, and you can just copy paste this a couple times. Let's tab, 2, tab, and tab. Okay, so now we have them. We're gonna have to change the numbers 2, 3, and 4. So now we have all the different ones. So my turtle 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, it looks like we're finished now. Let's play. As you can see, the turtles are moving, so you can bet with your friends which turtle you want to win and stuff like that. So as you can see, the yellow turtle won right now. So before we end the video, we would tell you that we have a second channel now. It's a gaming channel. So my brother started it, and he has like 1 video on it right now. So if you want to subscribe to it in the description below, and it will be in the featured channel section. So please subscribe to it and subscribe to this channel. And thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, ring the notification bell as well. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!